Hello kids! Today we're going to learn about animals. Can we learn new words? Animals. Yes. Very good. Now, teacher has lots of animals here, okay? But this is a game. So, if you see this statue, if you see the statue, you stop. Okay? You're going, statue, stop, statue. Ready? Okay. Teacher's going to mix it in. Mix it in, mix it in, mix it in. Mix it in, mix it in. Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. What is this? It's a bird. Did you say it? Bird. 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 Very good. A bird like bird. Very good. Tortoise. 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 Very good. Statue. Okay. Very good. It's a cat. 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 Can you say cat? Very good. Cat. What's this? Hamster. 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 Ha ha. Hamster. Hamster. Very good. It's a bunny. Bunny or rabbit. Rabbit. You see? It's a rabbit. This is a fish. A goldfish. 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 Very good. Can you do goldfish? Goldfish. Very good. Very good. Elephant. 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 You see? Very good. Bird. 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 Very good. Tortoise. 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 Statue. Statue, you stop. Very good. Okay. Cat. Cat. Here you go. Cat. Very good. Hamster. 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 Very good. Hamster. Rabbit. Rabbit. Can I hear you? Rabbit. Goldfish. 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 You see? Beautiful. Elephant. 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 And bird again. Very, very good. Good job, guys. See you next time.